Tile cleaning by Fusion Restoration. Best results guaranteed. After scrubbing a cleaning solution into the tiles, the SX12 hot water wash with vacuum extraction process is performed. Dirty grout doesn't stand a chance. Here at Fusion, brand new truck-powered steam generating equipment is our go-to, and we have industrial strength portable machines where necessary. Our trained, experienced and friendly technicians love both residential and commercial jobs. We are conscious of safe work procedures and are environmentally considerate. Visit our website www.restorefloor.com.au or call us on 1300 914 990.